Hello, George Gillis Jr. here. We would like to introduce myself. My name is George Gillis Jr. I'm an average Joe, work from home business entrepreneur, affiliate marketer online, and I work from home and work a current full-time job. Now, what I wanted to introduce to you today in this video is that the new system that's been out here for a little while is called Legendary Marketer with David Sharp, founder and creator of this program, and have made a lot of millions of dollars online as a entrepreneur, teaching other people how to make money online. And you can do the same thing too if you have the ambition, the drive, and the motivation to do what you need to do. Follow the step-by-step plan, and eventually it'll work. You've got some business coaches in here. You got some, as an affiliate, you got capture pages and everything you can promote your business with. But getting that mindset, getting the features, getting the on duty, getting the value ladder built up so that you can have confidence in yourself and take your business to the next level. Now, the Legendary Marketer program has a 15-day challenge that you can join, and I think it's for $7, and you can get the course, and you go through it first, and then you decide what you're going to do. As you go through each step, it'll ask you for action steps and assignment steps. You want to be able to do that. You want to be able to put your input in so that they can realize and visualize how they can help you. You want to be able to make money with the Legendary Marketer system. You ain't got nothing to lose. This is a very high income skill source that'll teach you online how to make money day in and day out. All you got to do is get involved. Follow the steps. Open your mindset. Shut out everything else. Do the work. Do the core steps. And you can't fail at this. To be successful online, David Sharp and his team have proven that. They have everything on the inside, step-by-step video that shows you what they've already did. And I think David says that he made over $100 million in this industry since he started. And he started just like me and you. He started as an average Joe. Started out, I think, was addicted to drugs and kicked that habit, went to work for dad, moved back in with dad. And he wanted to clean up his life, and he wanted to change things around in his life where he'd be able to give back some value to help other folks that were struggling in any kind of way. So this way, you can start making money today. And all you got to do is follow the steps. He did it. I know we can do it too. We got to have that drive and that ambition and that motivation to be able to do that. This business doesn't happen overnight. This is a business model that works. And all you have to do is implement the steps and everything, and you can get what you need. Now, if you're seeing this video right now, you can get involved after you watch this video. You can click the button wherever you find it on the page, and you can get started with the 15-day challenge. That's where I started, and I've completed the challenge. They're setting up all my business opportunities. I've spoken with my mentor, my success coach, and I've implemented some things that I was a newbie friendly. I'm not a guru or anything like that. So in order to make money, it's going to come. You just got to have motivation and dedication in your life that you want to change. And I know that 2021 was a terrible situation for us, but that gave us an opportunity to be more on the internet because we were quarantined to being at home. Now 2022 has come in. Make this a brand new year for you. If you've been struggling online before, you don't have to do it anymore. All you got to do is get started today. Take the challenge and start implementing the steps in this program and watch exactly what goes on for you. and then you tell me what you think about the Legendary Marketer System. I mean, they cover every basic step. They cover all the advanced steps. They cover everything around you for you and implement the features, the programs, the opportunities, multiple income streams. Then they got the income skills that you need to have. Now, he motivates you to do this, and he's no joke. I've talked to this guy a couple of times online, and we've been in all the chat groups. We've been in the Monday specials on the lives, and man, it's just amazing. All you got to do is just get involved. Now, if you want to get started, just click the button below, and this is a proven testimonial that this system really works. The Legendary Marketer System is a system that's going to make you successful online. Motivational quotes and everything. So get started today with Dave Sharp and the Legendary Marketer System and start your 15-day challenge today. Have a blessed day. We'll see you on the inside.